Back home sweet home to my lovely secret laboratory. Now what to do? What am I gonna do? Found it. I have found it. Let's go. Interesting. Very interesting. Here it is. I found it. All we need: some tablecloth, some Velcro, a hot burning tool, wax paper, scissors, and a fan. So, I'm thinking that since Beetlejuice is mostly white with like black stripes and other things, we're gonna start there with white. But first, he has boots. So we're gonna start with black. And then we're gonna go into white. Yeah. You will also need a tape measurer. Ideally, you'd like to have a rectangular tablecloth. We're gonna cut this in half. That is gonna be where it will attach to the fan. You will also need parchment paper. We're gonna just do a whole huge thing of white and then hot tool the black on top and everything else on top. So I don't want to make this thing too long. I don't want to make this thing too short. So I'm gonna use the same measurements that I used in the previous Frankenstein video. The total measurement from like foot to neck in Frankenstein was 96 inches. So that's basically what we're gonna go off of. Wax paper is used so the burning tool, the hot tool, won't melt the plastic, because if you touch this directly to this, it just burns a hole directly through it and smoke goes everywhere. So the wax paper helps to not do that. Shoo rat! Get away! Yo, girl's a little, not a spring chicken. So, working on the floor these days is not ideal. I can't feel my knees. So, do it again. Now for the final touches, adding the Velcro to the boot bottom section. Yep. At last, my creation is complete. And now for a celebratory drink. Igor, follow me.
Yes, master. Yes.
Yes. Lovely, lovely juice. But not too much. Now, beetles. Yes, beetles are what I need.
Beetles.
Beetles. Lovely beetles. Beetles. How many beetles do you think? I know not. Oh, let's just do all of them. Oh yes, thank you, Igor. You're so helpful. Such a lovely assistant. And now we drink. This Beetlejuice is delicious. By Jove! That's it! I shall call him Beetlejuice.
What, master?
Beetlejuice.
One more time, master.
Beetlejuice.
Master. Master. Oh.
Are you okay? I think he's had a little bit too much to drink. There are a few things I think I could have done differently. Number one thing being the black tablecloth was a different material than I had used before. It was just a little bit thicker than before. So that might have played a factor into it. Also, I layered the black stripes on top of the white, which could have weighed it down. I mean, like, half of it works, sort of. So, in an attempt to lessen the weightiness that I suspected is the issue, I cut off a little bit of his arms and I also shortened his feet. Obviously, it still has issues, but it's a little less weighed down than it was. He's at least making an attempt to stand up and walk on his own. His arms are a lot shorter though. So with that, I have concluded that the issue is the layering that I have done with the stripes, and it's just weighted. it's heavier than the Frankenstein was, and therefore it doesn't work as well. So we have learned something today. You live and you learn. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.